So when you are working in the soap factory like this, you put on your glove. These are gloves, hand gloves. These like long gloves, of course. We have other type of gloves. Okay. So today we'll be talking about how to make organic soap by using of aloe vera. These are called aloe vera. Okay, the aloe vera here, I've washed them, and then I'll be slicing them. I will chop them into bits. Okay, I will chop them into bits. So I will first remove the thorns by the side. In some instances, some don't even remove it. You just blend everything together. But I will remove the thorns so that they don't eventually shook. I will go on and on and remove them like that. Remove them. If I chop it, so cut it so that it will be easier to blend. So just go on and on like that and remove the front side. So chop it some. In a situation where you have the bigger ones, you can just remove only the core, the gel inside. This one shouldn't waste. Should still get some of it. Okay, so we'll be using this our soap base. You remember so we slice it to melt it. This is what we call melt and pour, but I'll be using it for organic soap making. So for those that are interested in making organic soap for business, you are in the right place to learn. So having gotten your soap base can be glycerin base, it can be transparent, it can be any other kind of soap base. So I'll be melting this in the double boiler. So when I melt it, I will come back to show us. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Okay, the soap has been melted. You can see it already in liquid form. So remember, this is the aloe vera that was blended, and so I'll be using the aloe vera to mix it to form my organic soap. And then there we move. What I have here as the soap is 170 grams. So I put my aloe vera there. It's about 15 to 20 grams there, and then you mix it. Very well. Oh. Okay, now you can drop the perfume of your choice, the fragrance of your choice. Oh, smell is so good. So we pour it into our mold. Looking yummy. Oh, it's not always feeling this my mood. Okay, so that comes to the end of the organic soap with aloe vera plants. So when it's strong, when it's solidified, I will come back to show us. Thanks so much. If you have watched to this extent and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe, like it, and share it. As you like it, subscribe, I appreciate you the more. Thank you and God bless you. When it's strong, I will come back to show us.